Hey, digital investors, what's going on? Welcome back to another video where we go over everything that is happening inside of the crypto space. We have a lot of cool stuff to go over today. We also do have some crypto market signals going bearish. So we will cover what these bearish indicators are. As you guys can see here by this article title, long-term investors still accumulate. So I guess we do have some bearish signals, but overall, long-term investors, the holders, they are buying, and most people who are selling, most people who are selling are new people to crypto, and many of them selling at losses. We also have Denmark moves to modify their tax law to address cryptocurrencies. We're going to go over some price targets for Ethereum, Cardano, and Polkadot. We'll also go over some Amazon stuff. And looking at the crypto market today, guys, can't even lie, it is a sea of red out there. Everything is basically red. The only thing we have a USD coin showing some green on the 1 hour, so that's a bit funny. But yeah, guys, the entire market is down, right? Bitcoin slipped and the entire market slips, which is kind of funny because that's exactly what we were talking about on yesterday's video. And our fear and greed index for today is also an extreme fear at 13, which is, it's so far down onto this extreme fear side. So I know you guys who watch this channel, many of you have been here for a while, so I know hopefully you guys are not being shaken out by this. Rather, hopefully you're looking for some good deals, looking for some spots where it might be worth it to you to accumulate if you have some powder left on the sides. Anyways, guys, let's get started, and let's start off here with Amazon job listing seeks DeFi experience. If you guys could do me a quick favor and tap the like button, it really does help a ton. I know some of you guys get annoyed when I ask, but I only ask because it really does help grow the channel, and I do appreciate all the support that you guys give, so thank you. An Amazon job announcement is looking for a candidate that is passionate about blockchain and decentralized networks. Amazon has listed a job posting titled Head of Product for Blockchain that is looking for an individual who is passionate about decentralized networks. And the post says, do you want to define the future direction for how Amazon Web Services will enable customers to solve problems and innovate with blockchain technology across a wide range of industries and use cases? Under preferred qualifications, Amazon clarifies that experience in decentralized finance is a plus, and Amazon is hoping to find someone with experience in blockchain frameworks and specifically applications including Ethereum. So some interesting stuff, guys, right? Are we seeing Amazon trying to hire someone who has experience in DeFi for them not to get into blockchain, crypto, and decentralized finance? Probably not, right? There's probably things coming around the corner that we might not really be able to see yet, but look at what they do and not at what they say. It's going to be pretty crazy, right? Most people I know get almost everything off Amazon. So if Amazon's going to be incorporating, decentralized finance in some way, or any type of blockchain or crypto style of anything really, that's really going to be huge for the crypto market. And you also think just how many people go to Amazon on a daily, almost daily basis. The sheer amount of people, if they start seeing things like DeFi or crypto or blockchain on there, that is going to bring a massive swath of people into our space. At least I would think, right, for something like Amazon. And we also have top analyst unveils massive price targets for Bitcoin, ETH, Cardano, and Polkadot. So let's hop into this. Capo gives his 129,000 followers an initial price target for ADA in the $3 to $4 range and a staggering long-term target of $30. He says, friendly reminder, just in case you forgot how bullish ADA looks. And he posts this chart basically showing a massive rounding bottom on ADA. As you guys can see right here, this looks pink to me, this pinkish line here, which was Cardano's or ADA's previous all-time high. We have pierced that, and now we are looks to be building support on top of that, which is going to be crazy, right? If we truly are building a support floor on top of the old all-time high, yeah, there's going to be some great stuff for Cardano, and really a lot of cryptos look just like this, right? Well, not just like this, but you guys know what I mean. Very similar, right? Consolidating above previous all-time highs, or for some of these cryptos even right underneath their previous all-time highs. So based on recent price action following the big crypto correction that began last month, Capo sees a bottom forming in Ethereum. The trader says he still expects Ethereum to ascend to $10,000 before 2021 expires. When it comes to Polkadot, DOT's price action, he compares it to the NASDAQ 100 index right before it rallied hard in September of 2011. Based on Capital's charts, DOT could continue consolidating before blasting off and hitting his long-term price target, and he says DOT to $100, which is pretty crazy, right? DOT has been doing some amazing things, and to see a $100 DOT would be pretty crazy. Going into Bitcoin, he's using Elliott waves to predict a parabolic rally in the coming weeks. He says Bitcoin is currently in the midst of the fourth wave, which indicates, and I'll scroll down here so you guys can see this chart. You can see his wave count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he says, in the midst of the fourth wave, which indicates a corrective period in a bull market. After the pullback, the trader predicts a massive rally for BTC that falls just short of $230,000 before the end of 2021. The target represents an upside potential of 600% from Bitcoin's current price of $32,000. So those are our price predictions for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and DOT. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And let's check this out. So we have Denmark moves to modify 100-year-old tax law and address cryptocurrencies. Denmark's tax minister wants to change the country's existing tax code to respond to the challenges posed by Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The Danish tax agency has identified about 16,000 individuals and companies involved in crypto trading between 2015 and 2019. However, as many as 2/3 of all transactions executed within this period of time have not been properly reported in tax filings. This is partly due to Denmark's outdated tax code, where current laws were adopted in 1922, when no one could foresee the emergence of new financial instruments such as cryptocurrency. The minister said that the goal is to ensure that our rules are up to date and limit errors and fraud. An independent committee, which is now set to review the existing rules because a large number of non-professional investors, says the rules should be clear and transparent and not to leave room for possible misunderstanding. So pretty crazy stuff, right? Having a country completely redo their tax laws to address cryptocurrencies. I'm sure it's because they want that good old tax money from these crypto investors, right? Amazing what it takes for them to actually give us some clear guidance on cryptocurrencies. I'm sure they definitely won't be the last. And as countries start to realize, oh wow, our citizens are making a lot of money on crypto, and they go, oh wait, where are our tax dollars from that? I'm sure these systems are going to get an update so they can get those sweet tax dollars. And we also have crypto market signals go bearish, but long-term investors still accumulate. So let's take a look at some data here. Many of the key crypto market indicators have turned bearish during the past few weeks, with the last month bringing historically large declines by most on-chain activity metrics. With that said, it's still the new entrants who are selling, while the hodlers continue accumulating. Investors remain cautious on Bitcoin, but Ethereum and altcoins remain popular. CoinShares said that 94 million worth of US dollars has left digital asset investment products last week, but only one product provider witnessed significant outflows while the rest saw inflows. The report stated that Bitcoin outflows totaled a record of 141 million US dollars last week and were equivalent to 8% of the net inflows this year. Still, they remain minimal on relative terms compared with the outflows seen in early 2018. On the contrary, ETH continues to be a popular choice among investors, as the asset saw inflows of USD 33 million. 33. Meanwhile, XRP investment products added 7 million, while Cardano got additional 4.5 million. And they go over this too, holders hodling more. Glassnode noted that the supply held by long-term holders is continuing to accelerate upwards, while newer entrants are letting go of their coins at a loss that is much larger than the market on average. And this article here ties in perfectly to that article where they go deeper on the crypto exchange outflows, inflows, and the holders. So let's check this really quick. And this right here, actually we'll see this chart here in a second. So with the price of Bitcoin off almost 50% from its all-time high, bullish traders are hanging their hopes on a fresh data point that might show the market is nearing a bottom, a big surge in outflows of the cryptocurrency from exchanges. While it's too early to tell if the outflows will be sustained, the data might indicate that some traders are satisfied with the current price and have no intention of liquidating their Bitcoin on the exchanges. In the logic of cryptocurrency markets, the traders might be moving their coins to wallets, custody, or cold storage while awaiting the price of Bitcoin to rebound. Crypto exchanges registered a net outflow of 22,000 Bitcoin on Monday, which is the biggest single day net drain since November 2nd of 2020. And this right here is the chart, Bitcoin net transfer volume from/to exchanges against all exchanges. The number of Bitcoins held in exchange wallets fell to a 3-week low of 2.54 million from 2.56 million. Investors appear to be storing their assets in hardware wallets with anticipation that the current drop in price will balance out for new price runs toward and above its previous all-time high. So interesting stuff, right? The long-term holders, mainly what we're seeing based on the data, like this article states, is that they are holding, right? They are moving their crypto to cold hardware wallets, or at least off exchanges, and they're expecting at some point we're going to see price action to the upside again. And to be honest, I'm pretty much in that same line of thinking. Me personally, and this is just my opinion, I think we're about midway through this bull run, and I think we have another major leg up to go. What happens after that? Who really knows, right? We tap out. Some people think a super cycle. There's all types of crazy theories out there. But just from traditional cycles and things like that, and based on the data that we can actually see and what we're used to with what we have, I think we're about midway through. I could be wrong. That's just my opinion, though. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And with that said, guys, let's check out some of these crypto prices. We have Bitcoin at 31,000, ETH at 2,300. I know we're pretty much dumping in real time, so let's give this a refresh, see if anything's kind of changed a bit. Not really. Binance Coin at 331, Cardano at $1.46, Dogecoin at 31 cents, XRP at 81 cents, Polkadot at $20, Uniswap $21, and Bitcoin Cash at $566. We went over the fear and greed index. We are at 13 in extreme fear. So again, a bloody day, guys, but nothing that we aren't used to. With that said, guys, that is the video for today. I'm going to leave you all here. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe and tap the like button. It does help a ton to grow the channel. And when you subscribe, hit the bell. You'll be notified every time I put out a video. I put out a video like this going over Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything going on in the crypto markets to try to keep you up to date. You guys already know I'm not a financial advisor, so do not take this as financial advice. I'm just documenting the daily news in this crypto bull run. And with that said, guys, I will see you all on the next one. Have a great day, everybody.